love you.
Hello, Winnie.
Utas? Luego le balang le mo le ya se mo. Sarlo sa kami kalsa pernah.
Ay, claro, pero soluciones. Nah, bumubisa ka po. Nilon lang sila kita. Nilon lang nyo. Kung malabo nila, mada. Yung
Ket maling kapili siya.
Oh.
Okay,
Oh. Hello, Jeremy.
Hey, how are you?
I feel better again because I hear from you. Hello from Saipan.
Pero niya natin company.
I wanted to let you know that I'm bringing my friend from Guam. She's a teacher and teaches about the Mariana Islands. So I'm gonna bring her with me. I already spoke to Ben. So it's gonna be not until September, right after August.
Come here.
Right after the month of August.
Oh,
I noticed that you like the almond sneakers.
yeah, my favorite.
That's one of my favorites too, and I'm sure I'm gonna have to bring a lot when I go over there.
Just okay.
So yeah, so it's gonna be my friend, and we're gonna come on September with sneakers, almond flavored.
Okay. What's your best thing?
Maybe 6 plan tonight. Tonight, nothing. I've been painting a lot.
Together we can be with it.
I have been painting a lot, and actually, I haven't even hung out with Jonathan yet. So John is very busy.
And the man, very
I didn't even greet him Happy Father's Day. I didn't.
he's having fun.
Yeah, I should just message him and tell him Happy Father's Day.
Because
What is, So, do you have anything to share with me about over there? Everything normal? I don't need to be worried about anything to bring or...
Oh, fish.
What kind of lobster?
I think it's not too
What
worried
big
about
fish that?
so here. So they do come.
Okay, so what kind of seeds do you need for us to plant so I can make sure that it grow and we have food on the table? Something different.
That fish. Is that fish?
I don't know what kind of plant. Just get any plant you wanna get.
Bigger.
Okay. Do you guys have avocados? We can bring avocados. You guys have avocados?
No.
Yeah, we got one stick, but it's not grown enough, so yeah, it's good. Let's go.
Man, all I know is that I'm excited and I'm patient enough because I'm spending time with my parents. But when I do go up there, it's gonna be a whole new world.